Hello, hello, and welcome back. I'm Claire, this is Purple Poppy, and as you can see, the lovely people at GRABIE have been in touch with me again, and I've got the new box, and I've got a fantastic discount offer for you as well that you can check out at the bottom of the video in the extra wordy bit. So, as you can see, I've taken out the envelope, but I've not opened it up yet, so I've got no idea what's in here, but I do love the patterning on the box. Each one of these I've had has been a slightly different colour. I think the first one was like a turquoise bluey green, and then we had a pink, but this black with these flowers on, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's see what we have got. May the art be with you. Look at that, that's just gorgeous, isn't it? And I love this lavender paper. So I always try, as you know, not to rip this, because we can use this if we can manage to open it without too much damage. Their stickers need to be a little bit less sticky, don't they? So, whoa, I'm going to move my coffee cup so we can see exactly what we've got in our box. And I'll move it up there to make sure you can see. So as always, we've got the lovely introduction card. Welcome to the GRABIE Scrapbook Club box. This is the Wonderland Adventure they've chosen as their November theme, and yeah, I think that is a great title. So as usual, we've got this wonderful sticker book, and what have we got in here? Oh, these are whimsical. Oh look, there's some beautiful sort of forest autumn. We've got all sorts in here. Lovely window there. So yep, we can make some beautiful pages with these, can't we? 24 pages, 160 stickers, a lot of stickers. Our usual jigsaw piece. Now this time round we've got some interesting extras, because we've got 2 ink pads for fabric, wood and paper, crystal, and that's obviously a brownie colour, and then again fabric, paper, wood, that's black. So we'll have to open them up, see how they stamp. As usual, I'll do the unboxing today, and then I'll come back at another time and we'll make some projects. And this is, oh, this is the most beautiful. It says here, this life you want now, what kind of life do you want? Look at the paper in here. This is beautiful, beautiful background papers. Now you could obviously use this as a book to work in, or you could in fact pull those out like it was a, you know, a scrapbook pad. You could pull them out, stick them down and work with them, and it's almost like embroidery, which of course is very appropriate for me. Embossing and embroidery is what that looks like. That's beautiful, and very neutral colours as well. And then we've got some washi tape. Now this looks like, oh, this looks like it's birds of some sort. Let's open this up and see what we've got. There we go. I believe that's got it open. There we go. And then where's our end? Is that our end? coming. There you go. So here's the end. Look at that. They're beautiful. We've got like songbirds and blossoms. And they are, no, they're not stickers, but they can definitely be cut out. Yeah, no, they can be cut out and stuck down. So that's beautiful. Lovely. And then we've got, oh, glitter. Yep. Nozzle with some gold glitter. Really is a wonderland, isn't it? We've got some lovely twine, some jute ribbon or some twine. Oh, we've got silver as well. So we've got gold and silver glitters, but with that pen adapter, which is nice. And then we've got some of these lovely envelopes that we always have. Oh, and there's beautiful, beautiful autumnal coloured flowers in these. I'm trying not to get the glare from the light. These are gorgeous. As I say, autumnal colours, but then it's November. What do you expect? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Particularly like this one with all the leaves. So there's a lot of stickers in that one. And then we've got some little ones. There's so much in these boxes. Now in the little ones, we've got butterflies. Yeah, they're all butterflies by the looks of it. And a lot of them. Oh no, they're not all butterflies. Because we've got flowers at the back here. I see roses. They're beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? And bigger roses. Roses and butterflies. So beautiful selection of roses and butterflies there. Try and keep the envelopes with them so we know what's going on. Now in another small envelope. Oh, look at these. These are beautiful paper frames. So we've got, looks like 3 of each design. So the square, the heart, the pink bow. Well, that's nice, that shape. It's almost like, you know, oh, what do you call them? A book plate type shape. And then a square bow. Oh, look, an actual shaped heart. Actual shaped bows. A circle of roses. Some ovals, and then those little squares. They're beautiful, and they're a really nice a nice weight of card. They're not too thick, but you can see from the embossing there is some real depth to them. They're lovely. And then in this one, oh, we've got bits and pieces in this one. Oh, 2 bits and pieces in this one. We've got beautiful gold flat back pearls, which obviously goes with our gold glitter. So that's lovely. So this one, oh, we've got 3-dimensional butterflies. Look at these. And they're on sticky pads. They're beautiful as well. Lots of colour and glisten in them. And then in this one, so much stuff in these boxes. Oh, we've got 2 stamps. We've got a fairy and a fairy with a lantern. And of course that's why we've got inks, because we've got the stamps. Beautiful. And then in the long thin one, oh, we've got more 3D. It's almost Victorian now because we've got the bird cage and the slipper. So happy. Key. and the gramophone. They're almost Victorian, those ones. And then in the goodie envelope at the back, and these always match the colour of the box. In fact, we could move the box now, couldn't we? In this, oh, look. So, we've got these little number labels, number 5, whoops, number 4, number 1. So we've got number labels, all or nothing, little round, win or bust. Oh, it seems like a game, doesn't it? And then in this envelope, look at these delicate die cuts. How fabulous are these? Just look. That is absolutely gorgeous. And roses again. Oops. So delicate, so gorgeous. So we've got 2 in cream. And then we've got 1. They are different. 2, 3 in that like caramel colour. And then this is the same design but in this like rust colour. They're just gorgeous. Look, absolutely beautiful and super delicate. So that's in that envelope. And then as always we've got papers. So this is like vintage wallpapers. There's 4 I think there. Oh, there's quite a few here. Look. Beautiful. And then we've got this like goldy paper and silvery paper. So again, that works with our glitter tubes, doesn't it? So interesting papers. And then we've got some tags, because of course these would be perfect size on a tag. Look, there's a thought for when we come to make. So we've got 2 in the craft card, and then we've got with the white circle, and then we've got 2 of the white ones with the craft circles. And then we've got some delicate pieces. They're beautiful. This reminds me of Grandma's tea tray, you know. So you've got the solid fabric and then the lace around the outside. And we've got those in that dusky pink, pale pink. This one's got roses on. A big rose there. And each of the laces seems to be slightly different on all of those. And then we've got the repeats coming through here. This one is so delicate, so beautiful. So there's quite a few of those. And then we've got the big ones in the lavender. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, that is almost a journaling card in its own right. Lilac lines. In fact, you know what? You could make the simplest journal in the world with these, because you could put these onto an A5. That could even be your front cover. Maybe, you know, a cream rose. You've got 2 there, so that looks a bit weird. Maybe a cream rose up the side. Look at that. That's about an A5, so you could have A5 coffee dyed paper, stick that down, you've got a journal page instantly. You know? So, beautiful little lilac-y, lavender coloured journal you could make with those very, very easily. And then there's a striped one, horizontal stripes to write on, and that's another gorgeous one. So you've got all of those as well. Put them there. Ah, and now we've got specialist papers, because this is like textured. So we've got 2 of those with the rose, and then we've got 2 of these with the leaves in the background, and they do feel textured. Oh, there's 3 of those. That's interesting. Was there 3 of these? Yes. No. Yes. So you got 3 of the leaves, 3 of the roses, and then this like handmade look. There's 3 of those. And then you've got this like wallpaper look. There'll be 3 of those again, I'm sure. And then you've got these lovely textured papers. I've had these before. They're absolutely gorgeous. This one's got like snowflakes on it. And that's real fibre paper in that one. And the squares. Beautiful. Absolutely amazing box this time. I think absolutely amazing. So you've got all the pinks going on. You've got the natural sort of browns and creams going on up there with, you know, the cards and the other paper, the tags and the other papers. This book is amazing to work in. Fabulous stickers. And of course, we mustn't forget that we've got 2 stamps and 2 stamp blocks. That's before we look at our dew and our reel and our glitters. So much stuff here to play with. I can't wait to come back and play. So, in the short term, I'll say thank you very much for joining me for the opening of this fabulous Wonderland GRABIE box. I'll see you very soon where we'll do some making. Stay safe. I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to check out the discount in the comments. Ta-ta for now.